Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 72. This SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial is for my beginners friends. By watching this tutorial, you will learn how to design a very basic part. Hope you will stay connected with us and continue learning SolidWorks modeling. Today I will teach you the use of various SolidWorks tools like Line Command, Smart Dimension, Mirror Entities Command, Straight Slot Command, Trim Command, and Extrude Command. We will use 2 sketches and 3 Extrude Command for completing this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial. We gonna sketch the top view of the part and then extrude. And then we'll do one more sketch and do 2 extrude for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy the video and stay connected with us throughout the tutorial series, and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Now we will draw the top view of the part. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Take Center Rectangle command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 150 millimeters. Distance is 110 millimeters. Now we will draw a straight slot. Take Straight Slot command. Distance is 110 millimeters. Distance is 110 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters. Radius is 10 millimeters. Distance is 30 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters. Make equal. Make these centers vertical. Make equal.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 10 millimeters. Now we will make this portion. Left click on front plane and choose sketch. Take straight slot command. Height is 34.6 millimeters. Height is 45.4 millimeters. Radius is 25 millimeters. Radius is 15 millimeters.
Now take the line command.
Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 20 millimeters. Angle is 120 degrees. Radius is 20 millimeters.
Now take circle command.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make them tangent.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Now take Trim Entities command.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now take the line command. Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Still, we need to define a sketch. Make them tangent. Make them tangent. Make it vertical.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Select Offset. Offset distance is 110 divided by 2 minus 10 equals to 45 millimeters. Now it looks perfect. Extrude height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Select the sketch and choose Extrude. Select Offset. Offset distance is 110 divided by 2 minus 10 equals to 45 millimeters. Reverse direction. Select Merge result checked.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build.